this? Come in. Yeah.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, darling.
How are you?
Well, you know how it is.
I didn't expect to see you today.
Yeah, but you know.
I thought you was gonna stay home for a few days.
no
Happy to
time.
see you.
Thank you. It's no time. Sit down. Sit.
Okay.
Take a seat.
Okay.
Yeah. Put your place. Now, you know, I'm not supposed to be here. Like my doctor said, go home and take it easy. But I have to come. Did you know what's going on, guys?
No.
I heard all what happened.
With
We
the-
are under attack. We have a lawsuit.
What do you
What
mean by
for?
that?
A lawsuit that guy called double.
Oh, the one that I did his taxes.
Is that
I
the
don't
one
know.
with
Who
the
is
dress?
that?
Yes, I did the one with the dreads. Yes,
Oh,
I did his
Somebody
taxes.
fell, somebody pushed. I don't know,
What?
tell me.
Yeah,
What's the
basically,
name?
his name is.
Two double.
I mean,
Let me see the
let's see the
file.
file.
Let me see the file.
Darling.
Cause I really don't know how to pronounce his name. Let's see.
So what's going on? Tell me.
I mean, last week.
Okay, his name
Well, I was
is
in
De
the
Double.
back.
De Double. Is that the one you're talking about?
He's the one who's suing us.
Oh my.
Well, it must have been that day. Last week we got robbed.
We did get
There
robbed.
is a connection to this. Tell me about it. Tell me all.
Well, he ran. After the robbery was over, we told him to calm down and settle down. He ran. So maybe he did have something to do with it.
With the robbery.
With the robbery. And maybe he feel like that we're onto him and we have an idea that he might have something to do with it. So now he in reverse, li essaye sou nou pour comme si li pat involved.
You know, now that I'm thinking about it, maybe Delisa is involved as well.
Who?
Delisa, the girl that works at the front.
What?
The insurance part, yes.
Yeah, because they have a little something going on.
They went to the beach one time together. And then when I asked her where else they went other places.
Yeah, she don't really want to talk about it, she said.
No.
Well, I'm not feeling too well. So I don't know. It's time to open the office.
Well, I'm gonna go check because I think I hear
I
somebody
don't know what's
knocking at
gonna
the
be
door.
because we have no money, guys. No
Okay.
money coming in, and we have a lawsuit. Now, I
Okay,
don't
well, you know
what-
what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna, first and foremost, I'm gonna go call the lawyer because I need to make sure, you know, we letting him know what's going on so he can resolve the issue. Okay? Be right.
Good. How are you?
I'm doing good.
My name is Alejandra. I came here to fill for an application.
Okay, well, right now we're not hiring at the moment, but if you'd like an application, I can get you one, okay?
Okay,
You can have a sit while I go get you an application.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, this is the application.
Thank you.
You must fill out everything, all of them, and make sure you know, write legit, so that way we understand, okay?
All right. Thank you
All
very
right, no
much.
problem. If you have any question, I'm in the back, okay?
All right.
All
Just
right.
fill it out. Thank you.
People coming and leaving, going.
Mom, I have this girl, she just came in and she wanted an application. She wanted to know if we were hiring because she wants a job.
Yeah, just wait a second, I'll see her maybe.
Mhm.
I'm telling you.
Yeah.
So watch what's going on. You know, she's the front desk. She knows what's going on.
Yes.
Everybody's coming and leaving and
Yeah.
open your eyes because things doesn't look good for the company.
Okay, I will do that.
Very, very bad.
Yes, I will do
Where
that.
is your sister? So
I don't
people in the
know.
front,
I think
maybe
she
you
went out
have
on a
to go
date.
check it out. Go
Yeah,
see
I'm gonna
what's-
review her application and see how
Yeah.
that
See if
turned
she's
out.
qualified for the job.
Okay, okay. What do you want me to look for?
About what?
With the application, what else do you want me to?
What do you think we need at this time?
Okay, all right.
To fire and hire?
And, all right, I'll take care of it. All right.
I tell you.
Yeah,
So,
it's been crazy here, like for the past few weeks.
you know, I don't feel good. I'm still have pain.
I know.
Hello.
Hello. Hi. You doing?
Hey, how you doing?
All right.
My name is Miss Sherry.
Yes, I'm Deandra.
Deandra, okay.
Yes,
Is your application?
Yeah, this is my application. right
Okay.
here.
Okay, if you don't mind. All right. Just make sure everything's signed and filled. Okay. Here, sign right here.
Okay.
All right. Well, I'll make sure that the owner gets it.
Okay.
All right. You have any questions?
Yeah. Like, is it a sure thing that I might actually get a job here?
Well, we're not hiring right now. But we always have a position open in the future. But right now we're not hiring. But, you never know. Somebody might leave and you may get called.
Okay.
So,
I have a question though. Is the owner of the corporate here?
yeah, actually she is here. She's in the back.
Yeah, I was wondering if I could actually talk to her.
Oh, you want to speak to her?
Yeah.
Let me find out if she's not busy. Okay, have a seat.
All right,
Let me
thank
find
you.
out. Okay, what's your name again?
Deandra.
Deandra, okay.
Come on in. Come in.
This is the application. Her name is Deandra.
Yeah, what she applied for.
She applied for a position in the office, the back office. She does filing and stuff, according to her resume. Also, she would like to know if she can see. She would like to see it
She said
today.
why?
No.
Don't you know if she qualified?
Well, according to this, and I looked over it, I had her sign the page. She's qualified. But I
we
mean,
might use some help.
yeah, we need a lot of help.
Is our budget,
Well, if we need to work, we have to
because
work.
we just hired somebody.
Yeah,
that's
but
what I'm
she's
doing.
not working in the fight. She's working in.
She's doing paperwork. She's not doing filing.
Well, I guess whatever works for the company, then
It's
we
good.
just have
Okay.
to do it.
Yeah.
Let her come in.
Yeah.
Let her come in?
Yeah, of
Okay.
course.
You want to keep this or you want me to just put this in
No,
file?
you keep it.
Keep it? Okay, I'll file it.
Yeah. And you have it. What are you gonna do? So she comes out.
I don't see some chart. I think she will.
Things are not looking good.
It's not looking good.
Things are not looking good. We need more action around here to bring more money. Now, lawsuit. You have
Yeah,
to talk to
this
the
is-
lawyer. Maybe you have to go to court with him.
Yeah.
Because you were here when all that happened.
Yeah. And I did file a police report, so maybe
Yeah.
that can.
But I'm not gonna stay too long. I'm gonna go home.
Yeah, you should go home.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna call Sunshine and find out what is she up to for today, so we can get started on some things.
Okay.
This is Miss Nicole.
Hi, how do you do?
Oh,
Hi.
I'm Deandra.
Good. How are you?
Thank you. I'm very good. How are you?
Very well.
All right.
Yes, I heard you want to talk to me.
Yes, I wanted to talk to you because I'm filing an application and
Yes.
they told me that they're not really hiring right now. But I could also, I could give the application. So I wanted to talk to you personally so you could see if there were any position available for me.
Well, we are not hiring at this time, but we do need somebody like you. I take a look at your application and I see you've been working. So how come you're not working at this time?
Yeah, well, I just
You
moved.
just moved,
Yeah,
yeah.
and then I'm looking for jobs everywhere. It's kind of hard to find. I've
Yes.
been looking for a couple of months, and
Okay.
I really need it right now. So that's why I wanted to talk to you personally.
Okay, so what made you interested in our company?
Well, I do have some background in filing papers, so I really I know how to do that already. And so I figured I could.
As a matter of fact, this is the lawyer for the house.
Yes.
This is my daughter.
Right? Yeah, she's the one that gave me the application.
Yeah.
I think
Well,
she-
anyway, yeah, we'll take your,
But we'll give you a call.
yes, we'll give you a call. And I really appreciate you seeing me personally.
Yes.
I will give you my consideration. Yeah.
Okay. Well,
Okay,
thank you
darling.
very
Nice
much for
meeting you.
considering.
All right, I'll walk you
Okay.
out.
Thank you very
All
much.
right.
But you have a wonderful day.
All right. Thank you very
Okay.
much. Same to you.
All right.
Okay, my darling, I'm leaving now. Hey, don't forget to help Samantha do some work.
Oh, okay, no
Okay?
problem. Well, Mom,
Finish.
I'll see you later.
Yeah.
And I'll let Sunshine know that you came
Yeah,
by
I'm
the
home.
office.
I'm
Yeah.
home. Tell her to stop by, see me.
Okay, I'll tell her.
Okay.
All right, Mom, take care.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
All right.
Hello. Nice to see you.
Oh, nice to see you.
Thank you. I'm not staying.
wonderful.
Thank you. I just came by to check on you people. But I'm leaving.
Well, you have a nice day, okay?
Thank you.
You're
Bye-bye.
welcome.
Oh,
Bye.
nice to have you back here.
Don't worry.
We need some of the light dim, they're not bright.
Okay, we'll take
Maybe bulbs, something like that. Thank you for coming.
No problem, no
You know,
problem.
thank you.
You know we have to take care of you.
So
Have a
long.
great day, okay?
Bye-bye.
All right, see you soon.
How was your weekend?
Good, yours?
Good.
Good, yeah. Oh, hi, Vicky. Can I talk to you? Hey. Yeah, you're the one I want to see today.
And what's that?
What's been going on with you and John, Mike, whatever you call him?
Then I think that's none of your business. Whatever going on with me and John, that's not part of my job description for the 200 times.
Well, that is my business when you start snooping around the office, my mom's office, with this dude.
When did you see me snooping around with him in the office?
Come on, Nikki, don't start acting like this. Since day one, you and Mike, y'all had something going on. I can feel it. I can sense it. Every time he walk in, you always looking at him a certain way.
Okay,
Is that what you do?
Do you really want to know?
Is that what you do?
Do you really want to know, or you just want to be nosy?
I want to know what's going on with
me
you
and Mike
him.
were together for 3 years, and I adopted him for like what 2 months. Or you already pick up something from the garbage can?
Oh, really? Look at
really?
you.
Look at me. Yes, look at me. Okay.
He don't want you.
And how do you know that, boo boo?
So who dumped who? You dumped him?
Yes, I dumped him.
Oh no, you did not
You
dump
can ask him.
So why now you all
Do you want me to
him?
call him and ask him right now?
No, I don't need to hear from him. As a matter of fact,
Cause you know he still want me.
you know what? I'm gonna tell you one thing. Whatever you got going on with Mike, it's either you do it outside of
What
the
you
job
need
or
to
you don't do
is
it
take
here,
your little
okay?
fingers out of
Because
my
you know
face.
what? You're gonna
You don't
make
want
me.
none of this. You what? I don't think you want none of this. Do you?
You need to stop. Okay?
Oh my God, what is going on here? What is the problem?
She is crazy.
Oh my God, what is the problem? What is the problem here? Oh my God,
This
what's
girl come in my office telling me about Mike, John, or whatever.
Who's
She's
John?
snooping around.
over, man?
I knew she was a hoe.
Come on, stop it. Listen, is this all about Mike?
Just know he's not, and you're gonna regret it. You're gonna regret it. You're gonna regret it.
What's the problem?
Putting your hands on me.
What's going
Oh my God, I can't believe this. In the
Get out
office?
of here.
In the
Get out
office?
of here.
What's going on?
You can go home, as a matter of fact.
Oh, you know my manager.
You can go home,
Oh
as
my
a matter
God,
of
I
fact.
can't believe this is going
You didn't
on.
hire me.
Miss Nicole is not gonna be happy with this.
What's
I can't believe it. You're supposed to be older than that.
My sister.
Anyway, hit this face. Crazy ass trying to take people's men. Go in.
What's the problem? What happened with Nikki?
Oh my God, I can't believe this. Well, Miss Nicole is not gonna be happy with this. I can't believe this. In the office, she just spoke about that. You know, it needs to be order in this office. This is ridiculous.
That girl.
Is it that girl?
Yes, that's
Okay,
her.
I just saw her.
You gonna have to deal
She's
with
lucky
her.
I didn't know it was her. Come on. Come on, girl.
What's the problem?
No, I can't handle this.
So, do you really like my glasses?
Oh, that's not all of that.
Ugh.
What do you mean we're going from you?
You want from me? You still want.
What's the? What's the? No.
Hello? Hello?